Hi everyone,
I'm Sarah
and I'm Ian, and we are from Creation Drama Studio.
and we're going to be showing you how to play some fun drama games at home. This game is called House Party. For House Party you need at least 2 players, so you can play in a pair or in a small group. One person is the party host. This is whose party it is. It can be any party you want. It can be a birthday party, a graduation party, a celebration for a new job. That's up to you. The party host is also the guesser of this game. The other person or people are the party guests. Now what they have to do is come up with a character or a party quirk that they enter the party with. That can be a character from a movie or a TV show. It could be that they're playing an animal. It could be that they're showing a very strong emotion, or that they have something interesting or strange about them. Like maybe they're really terrified of other people. That's up to you. Now the party guests enter the party and they play their character, stay in character the whole time. And it's up to the party host to guess what kind of character or quirk the party guests have. This is how it's done. So excited, it's my birthday party. I've got lots of new friends coming. I can't wait to meet them all. Who's that? Hi, welcome to my party.
Hello.
Hi.
Gosh, this is so exciting, isn't it?
It's so exciting. I'm very
Is the
excited.
sorting hat here?
The sorting hat.
Gryffindor!
Are you
Gosh.
Harry Potter?
Expelliarmus!
Okay. Hi, come in. Welcome to my birthday party.
Hi, do you know what time this ends?
What time it ends? Well, it's just got started.
Did you have any taxi numbers? for
Taxi
after?
numbers, I might do. Do you need to go now?
Oh, do you know, how many toilets do you have here?
Just the one toilet.
Oh,
I can show you
do you
where
have
it is.
cake?
Do I have cake? Yes.
Is it going to be a disco?
Do you ask questions all the time?
Yes.
Hi, come on in. Welcome to my birthday party. Oh, are you out of breath?
Squirrel!
A squirrel?
This is a great party.
It is.
Do you have any
It's a
snacks?
birthday
Do you have any
party.
snacks?
What kind of snacks do you need?
I'm not allowed chocolate, but I really like chocolate. Could I have some chocolate?
No, chocolate.
It might kill me. But
Are you
I love
a
chocolate.
dog?
Yes.
Okay, and that's how you play. You just keep guessing and you keep coming on with different characters for different quirks.